Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Plymouth Road Runner, a modern muscle car that brings back the legendary nameplate with a bold new design, cutting-edge technology, and raw American power. If you're a fan of classic muscle reborn for the modern era, you're in for a treat. Let's get into it. The 2025 Road Runner pays tribute to its late 60s and early 70s predecessors while embracing a contemporary twist. Plymouth, now under the Stellantis umbrella, has revived the Road Runner with a design that screams performance. The body is sculpted with aggressive lines, a wide stance, and a nod to the iconic hood scoop of the original. The signature beep beep horn is back, adding a touch of nostalgia to this modern beast. Under the hood, the 2025 Road Runner packs serious muscle. The base model comes with a naturally aspirated 6.4L Hemi V8, delivering around 485 horsepower and 475 lb-ft of torque. For those craving more power, a supercharged 6.2L Hellcat V8 option is available, pushing out an insane 797 horsepower. And if that's not enough, rumors suggest a special edition with over 800 horsepower, making this Road Runner one of the most powerful muscle cars on the road. For eco-conscious performance enthusiasts, a hybrid-assisted V8 could also be on the horizon. The Road Runner isn't just about brute force, it's built for handling too. It features an updated suspension system, adaptive dampers, and a rear-wheel drive layout with an optional all-wheel drive system. This ensures that, whether you're on a drag strip or a winding back road, the 2025 Road Runner stays planted and responsive. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with a mix of retro inspiration and modern technology. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, offering classic Road Runner graphics as a nod to its heritage. A massive touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Stellantis' latest Uconnect interface. High-quality materials, sport bucket seats, and an available Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel complete the experience. Safety and tech are also a priority. The Road Runner is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even launch control for those who want to push it to its limits. A track mode with real-time performance data ensures you get the most out of every drive. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Road Runner is expected to start at around $55,000 for the base model, with higher trims and performance editions pushing into the $70,000 range. Considering the performance, heritage, and technology packed into this machine, it's a serious contender in the modern muscle car segment. So, what do you think about the 2025 Plymouth Road Runner? Does it live up to its legendary name? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.